What's up YouTube, Goonies here with another demo vid for you guys. This one here is called Monkeys in a Barrel. It is a fountain. Artwork honestly looks really old school, like it was from back in the day when they were, first started having firework labels. Well, obviously they've always had firework labels, but it just looks very retro, very old school. Anyways, you guys can see here it's a fountain, all the performance highlights, performance description. Ever witnessed a monkey fight? I probably sound like monkeys in a barrel. Sizzling sparks, raucous crackling barrage, then a whistle to wind down the riots. It's about 55 seconds long, vertical firing. You guys can read the firework effects. Anyways, looks pretty cool. That's all it is though, monkeys in a barrel. So let's go out there, let's light this fountain off, and let me know what you guys think on this one. Monkeys in a barrel. Very nice.